Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about a recent problem with Microsoft Windows and CrowdStrike that affected a lot of users. I will explain what happened, what caused it, its impact on IT services and other services worldwide, and how you can fix it if you are affected. Okay, so let's begin the video. Today, many users experienced issues with Microsoft Windows. They were unable to log in to their Windows desktop and were seeing errors, something like your PC has run into a problem and restarting. This issue was happening in loop, hence it caused blue screen of death. Generally, when we get the blue screen and our system runs in the loop, we call that as blue screen of death. Okay, so what's caused this? It turns out there was a problem with a recent update. Microsoft released an update that had a bug which affected how users could log in and use certain services. The bug in the update caused a chain reaction leading to these widespread issues. Okay, Microsoft and CrowdStrike quickly identified the problem and started working on the fix. So many businesses are impacted by this. Let's talk about the impact. This outage affected IT services and other industries around the world. Many businesses rely on Microsoft Windows and CrowdStrike for daily operations like corporate IT system and cybersecurity, healthcare, financial services, government services, all were affected by this issue. Okay, most of the IT companies in the India, even the worldwide, even the banks, financial services, government services, and even airline services, airports, everything, all are impacted by it. Okay, so I have also included the steps in the video to temporarily fix the issue. I will not advise you to do that because this is a temporary fix. But if you are in need and you want to open your system, you can apply this fix. Okay, generally a permanent fix should be given by Microsoft and they will uh, update the fix as soon as possible. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.